Passion Delight, 13.2% ABV, cucumber vodka, lime juice, and passion fruit. Hi, I'm Michael Chen, award-winning mixologist and creator of LAIBA Cocktails. This is how we serve a Passion Delight. I prefer to serve it in a highball glass. First, we add the ice. You'll want to make sure you shake up the cocktail really well. We recommend storing it at room temperature or chilled in a fridge. Pour it over ice. Always remember to give it a couple of stirs to chill it down further and release a little dilution. I like garnishing this cocktail with a nice big fresh sprig of mint and some fresh cucumber. You can chop it up, or you can do a beautiful long swirl. Roll it up and place it in the cocktail. The Passion Delight.